Pokéball y sushi.
Te voy a probar el sushi.
¿Bien? Uh-oh. No bueno.
Pica.
Oh, picante. Oh, ¿agua?
Sí. Mira allá.
Agua.
¿Tienes agua?
Oh, picante. Ah.
No aguanta el picante.
Oh. No gusto picante. No gusta picante. Ah.
I don't know like
Está picante. Oh. Está picante. Está no picante.
No sé.
Eso es picante.
So after hanging out at Lorama last night, I decided to take it easy today and walk around the neighborhood. There's a part of Medellin known as Laureles, which is like Lower Manhattan but better weather. I had laundry to do, so this was a perfect place to start. Laundry Cafe. This laundromat has a very chill lounge type of environment. And the best part is they serve beer. Not bad for a beer and a load of laundry. So while my clothes were washing, I decided to walk around. This cool place was nearby. It was mid-October and they already had the Halloween theme out.
Hola.
Buenas tardes, bienvenido.
¿Cerrado o
Abierto.
open? Abierto. Gracias. Hola.
Buenas tardes, bienvenido.
¿Cerrado o
Abierto.
open? Abierto. Gracias. Almost touched the button.
¿Qué estás buscando en especial?
¿Especial?
Comer.
¿Comer o bebida?
Bebida.
Yeah, sí.
Listo. Limonada cerezada, limonada natural, jugos naturales, gaseosa Coca-Cola,
Okay.
Cerveza Águila normal, Águila
Okay.
Light, Corona.
Oh, ¿tiene una bebida con alcohol?
Alcohol, sí,
Yeah.
claro, los cócteles.
Cocktails, sí, cocktails.
Mira los cócteles. Mira,
Yes.
mira todos los cócteles. En este momento no tenemos esta presentación. No.
No?
Yes.
Sí. All right. Okay. Punto G.
Claro que sí. Mora. Lleva fruticas de mora.
Mora. ¿Qué es mora?
Una frutica.
¿Frutica? Sí.
Vodka o tequila. ¿Cuál de las dos?
Tequila.
Ok. Limón. Y un endulzante puede ser de fresa o cereza.
¿Limón?
¿Limón?
Sí, limón.
Ok, perfecto.
Gracias.
Punto G.
Sí. The staff was friendly and the decor was cool, so decided to hang out for a bit. Ordered a drink. Time for one cocktail. All right, let's try this drink.
Gracias.
Fuerte. Es fuerte.
Fuerte.
Me dices, porfa, para arreglártelo, si le echo otra cosa más.
¿Es la tarjeta?
Sí, claro. Ahora, pruébalo.
No, try.
It was nice and fruity. Personally, I could have used a little more fuerte, but it was cool. So I finished my drink and continued my walk. Gracias.
Con mucho gusto.
Met a nice guy who has a boat business in Cartagena. Check that out. Jamie Lowe. Friend is Cinco Cartagena. I think it's worth it. So the cool thing about Laureles is that the sidewalks have lights on them. Red for stop, green for go. At this point, I decided to try to cycle back to the laundry place. And on the way back, I ran into this place. Very nice and relaxing decor. The pillows were so soft. And of course I look straight at their selection of cócteles y vinos. I'm going to be honest with you, the prices were on the high side, but that's reflective of the neighborhood that I'm in.
Entradas. Milanesas. Juan Nicolas.
I decided to try the mojito, and to be honest, I've never had a good mojito, but I keep trying. I'm gonna find one day. Empanada Argentina. Delicioso. I tried eating it with their little spoon all proper like, but I guess I'm not that cultured.
Empanada de Argentina. Buenas noches. Buenas noches.
Time to walk back and grab my clothes. Walking this area will have you run into many interesting places. Wish I had time for them all. You know a neighborhood's made it and you see a Starbucks.
$7.74.
This chicken is a lifesaver. It is so delicious.
Half a chicken. Yuca fries.
Yep, so that was my day. Tune in next week where I go to a rooftop cafe with this firecracker. Like and subscribe. Peace.